All right, every Thursday here on Chronicle Live, we bring sports and the law together, and we have our Comcast Sportsnet legal and tax expert, Steve Moskowitz, in studio to help us explain some of the more difficult items out there. Gilbert Arenas in the news yesterday. The NBA commissioner has suspended him for the entire season. It'll be a 50-game suspension. He makes $147,000 a game. We're talking $7,350,000. Is that fair, what they did to Gilbert, do you think, Steve?
Personally, I think the punishment doesn't fit the crime. I mean, he did something he shouldn't. It was ill-advised. To me, it was like something, it was a bad prank, but he's being hit really hard. And what I think he's doing is he's doing classic sentence bargaining, where he's not appealing the year, but I am sure that a backroom deal was made. And he's also looking at the total contract, too.
He's got a couple of other issues out there, starting with his freedom. What is the possibility that Gilbert Arenas could face jail time for this?
It's clearly possible, and right now what's happening behind the scenes, his lawyer is working with the probation department, because what happens is the probation department is going to issue a report to the judge making a recommendation. And when we do these, what we'll do is we'll work with the probation people, we'll help them with the report, and we'll explain why my client shouldn't go to jail.
Now, most legal and NBA observers feel if he does face jail time, especially if it's during the season and he has to miss games, the Washington Wizards could have a way to get out of the remainder of his contract. $80 million. He's already lost $7.35. Now they want to take the $80 million away. Is there any way that happens?
It's clearly going to be a fight. The players' union is going to defend them. But what you also have to take a look at, if he does have to do some time, what he would do is negotiate when he would serve it, to serve it when it's the off season. That's part of what you can do when you do a plea bargain.
Didn't Kiefer Sutherland do that? He doesn't have an off season, but he...
What he did was he actually negotiated when he would go away so that he would not interfere with filming.
Yeah, but you work that way. I'll go to jail. I'll just do it after the NBA playoffs. I can't go now.
That really can be done.
Yeah. All right, Steve, thank you for your time.
My
We'll see you
pleasure.
next Thursday on Chronicle Live. We'll see you tomorrow at 5 o'clock on Chronicle Live. Sportsnet Central's next.